Okay guys, I bought a new product to have for showers. I did go out and buy me a curtain. It looks like a beach and a palm tree. This is a Drummond 12 volt non-submersible transfer pump from Harbor Freight. I guess they're having a problem with people bringing them back, but they're saying mainly it's because of people putting anything but water in it. You know, like they're putting oil in it, trying to pump oil, they're trying to pump all kinds of things. And you don't want to do that with one of these pumps. It's only for water. You want to filter it, but I'm trying it out right now. This is what goes on the bottom to filter with. That will go down in the bottom of a jug. Looks like it's got a little filter in there. It might not, it might just be trying to keep out the big stuff. I haven't taken it apart to look, but it's just a transfer pump. It's light. It's got an on-off switch on it, which I like. I just wish they wouldn't have put it so close to the pump. I wish they would have put it, well, I guess that's right. You know, putting it close to the pump, that's about as far as you're going to get it unless you run another line. But got it running inside my jug for now without the filter, just to make sure it works. Got it hooked up to my battery, negative and positive on my lithiums, and we're gonna see how this thing works. I mean, I don't have a shower head on it, but I went out and bought another hose to extend to it to run out, and we're gonna see if it runs and how good it runs. I'm gonna want to shut it off real quick after wetting down. Oh yeah, look at that go. That's a good pump. Just shut it off. It's a non-submersible pump, rugged, all-metal construction, capable of 6-foot suction lift, which I'm nowhere near it, which is easy for me, right? Includes a suction strainer, an intake hose, easy self-priming, clear water transfer, use with RV or camper, whatever you got, 12 volt DC. So, and that's what it looks like. This is where it goes in the water to the bucket, comes up through here, the pump pumps it out to the end, all from the power of the 12 volt battery. So we're gonna test it for a while. I'm pretty sure it'll work good. See, this is what people's probably been doing that they weren't supposed to, and that is pumping fuel or oil through it. And I bet you anything, most of them that did that and brung them back probably pumped it through once because they were in a dire situation and then tried to return it. So they stopped letting returns come in because of that. But as long as you put clear water through this, it should work. Discharge head lift, you got 40 feet, 0 gallons per hour, 30 feet, 140, 20 feet, 210, 260 at 10 feet. I mean, that's well over enough to take a shower. A good shower, actually. So the more water you got, the better. I think this is going to come in handy. Cost me around 70 bucks. We're going to try it out for a while. Like I said, I want to put the end of that hose on and see how that works, and I'll show you that and see if I need to just leave it an open hose or have a water spout on it that I can spray and stuff like that. I might do some more looking, but either way, whether I can use it or not, that will wet me down real good. All I got to do, set my solar bag out with 2 gallons of water in it, heat it up. You know, it's just all you're needing is warm water for a shower anyway, and set it out in the sun on something and let it warm up, and I could use it without the shower hose, definitely, because all you're wanting to do is wet yourself down and soap up and rinse off anyway. I'm not using my new shower today. Because if that lightning strikes, that wouldn't be good. This is the reality of living what you call off-grid, full-time overlanding. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe. Yeah, I'm looking for watch time, and let you know I have a Jeep mod on my Jeep that I had to mod myself because I was overheating. You're going to want to watch the next one. So subscribe, hit that notification bell, and join me on the next video for the mod on the Jeep that keeps it from overheating. Thanks for watching.